Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I'm going to show you a couple rave looks from the early 2000s. The first one I'm going to show you is not a candy look. This would be a junglist look. So it's a white dress shirt, long dress shirt with a vest and some UFOs. Some old school ravers out there, you're going to have to let me know. This is like a Midwest outfit. And this would have been perfect for like a winter party. So you would kind of stay a little warm. But yeah. And then I have a Kandi look. Don't mind her hair. This is what your hair looks like after the rave. This wig has seen better days. But here's a visor that we made a video for this look here. And collared shirts, striped collared shirts. And these were popular. Keys. These big shapes and pom-poms. And then some Mac Girl rave pants. I'll step back so you can see the whole look. But yeah, this is something you would see in the early 2000s. Super comfortable, oversized clothing. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you next time.